to go ahead and bring this together. It's amazing, right? Of course, some of these programs are very early programs, but we are starting to go ahead and work with some of our clients to be able to bring these two entities together, right? A gene therapy program with a combination program, right? Combination product, to be in one place, right? So it's amazing.
So, I mean, a lot of new and exciting things in the space for sure. I guess at some point we do have to talk about the industry's capacity to keep up with growth, because there are going to be bottlenecks. There are going to be only so much talent to go around, only so many resources to go around, especially if things shift, where instead of having a plant that is in a centralized location, we have distributed manufacturing, or we need to be pairing with medical device manufacturers to deliver what we're doing. Let's talk about making sure we don't outrun our runway, if you like.
Yeah. No, very valid point, right? Very interesting question. When we look at this, right, one of the key things is we got to see, this year's conference, BMW 24, right? Some of the innovative manufacturers like Solaris, right? Their programs of bringing, right, manufacturing suite into this pod, right? Amazing, right? So technology is advancing. At the same time, one of the key things that as an industry we have to keep in mind is how do we ensure this speed to market and that wall that we could potentially hit from the CMC point of view, right? How do we make sure that we build all of those elements during that early stage development so you don't hit that wall when it comes down to your commercial operations, right? It's very important for us to be able to consider those elements, because if you don't, speed to market is everybody's going to go after that, right? Because it's for unmet need.